guys. Today it's Wednesday, September 13th, I believe, according to my mental calendar. And I'm going to class now. It's currently 8:45 and I have class at 9 o'clock. Today's a really busy day, so I thought I would film a little bit of what I'm doing today. I woke up this morning at around 7:30. I actually woke up to my roommate's alarm that she didn't wake up to. But we both got up around 7:30. I got ready, got dressed. I ate a peanut butter and jelly sandwich I packed from yesterday night, so I ate that this morning. I drank like 18 ounces of water, and then I did my 100 squats that I do every day, and I watched a little bit of YouTube, and now I'm on my way to class. My first class, by the way, is differential equations. I made it to Diffie Q. I just finished Diffie Q, and I'm gonna go to physics discussion now. Walking back down the flights of stairs, I went up. Everyone's out of class. Sunny day. Made it to discussion. Physics discussion. I just finished physics discussion. It was good. We only did one problem that was like multiple parts, and I met like two cool kids who were really smart, and we all worked together to solve that problem, and we all like traded social media information. So I'm looking forward to studying with them, and it'll be fun. It wasn't actually like as bad as I thought it was going to be, because physics is not my strong suit. But now I'm going to orgo discussion. It's in another building, so I'm on my walk there. It's actually pretty close. And I have orgo discussion. I have like all the classes today. Uh-oh, what happened to the window over there? Looks like they're fixing it though. I just finished orgo discussion. I didn't get very far on the worksheet, just like I didn't get very far on the physics worksheet, but I think what I'm gonna try and do is start like doing like 30 minutes or like an hour set aside like every day to like do like a certain subject, instead of like trying to do like however many problems, because I think that's like when I start getting unmotivated because it's taking so long. So like tonight I'll probably do like 30 minutes of orgo and 30 minutes of physics, and we'll see about like my other classes. But I'm going to like discussion sections are usually only 50 minutes long, and then My lecture this morning was also only 50 minutes long, but now I'm going to my engineering design class, and that's an hour and 45 minutes. So yeah, so I've only had like 15-minute breaks between classes today, and it's 12:06. And I think what I'm gonna do is, because I started at 9, so it's been 3 hours, and I've had 3 classes. And now I'm going to design, and then I have a 30-minute break between design and mechanics. So I'll see what I do during that time, because 15 minutes is only enough for me to walk from class to class, so I can't do anything. But like 30 minutes is more like reasonable. So my friend is in my engineering design class. She's from Italy. It's Eliana. And so I'm excited for class with her. What are all those people doing? My next class is an epic. We made it to class. I went outside to eat my snack in the hallway, and I come back to this on the table. So, not sure what to expect. But we'll be here for an hour and 45 minutes. Yeah, let the magic happen. Look at that. We started meeting with our team group for the project. Just finished EK 210, and we're leaving now. I just ordered lunch, and I'm gonna eat it on my way to mechanics, which is in 30 minutes. This is like prime Boston weather for you right now, because it was sunny and bright this morning, and now it's pouring rain. So yeah, I'm walking on my way to mechanics, and it's perfect because it's the sushi place I ordered from is right on the way. So I'm gonna grab it and go. I just picked up my order, and it's raining, so I have to hold my umbrella, so I'm gonna wait until I get there to eat.
I'm eating a couple quick bites before class, and then I'll probably eat the rest later.
I'm in mechanics class now, and ended up eating half my burrito, and now I'm snacking on goldfish. We're about to start pre-lab. I just finished my sushi burrito. Yeah, it is. Oh, that's Erica's text message. It is 4:37, and this will be over in about an hour. We're doing good. One more class.
With our weakest. So our strongest are things that can form salts. The next ones are hydrogen bonding. The third is dipole-dipole, and the last one is blending. The distance traveled by the analyte and the distance traveled by the salt.
I just finished class, my last class of the day. It's been a day. It was Orgo pre-lab. We talked about not, like I have lab tomorrow, but like I always have pre-lab a week before lab starts, like my next lab. So it's not about tomorrow's lab that I have, but it's about the week after. But it was on like TLC plates and column chromatography. And now I'm walking over to the dining hall, and Erica and I are gonna eat dinner before we have a Hearts for the Homeless Club meeting tonight. Erica's my roommate, by the way. She's coming back on the bus or something, so she's running late because it's raining. So I'm gonna meet her there. I'm getting stir fry for Erica. I'm gonna get a salad for myself. I got a salad, 2 dumplings, a burrito bowl, and some fries. Just finished dinner, and now we're going to a club meeting. That's Erica, that's my roommate, and she happens to also be in this club. So off we go. Still pouring outside. Maybe it's the hurricane, we'll never know. But there is supposed to be a hurricane coming like the end of this week, and it's Wednesday, so we made it in the rain. We only had one casualty of an umbrella. Echo. We said echo. The cross did the trick. I won. That was like a really quick 15-minute meeting. But it was just like introductions, and now they're doing like a training, and I don't really want to do a training because I already did it last year and it counts for this year. Plus, like, I measure blood pressure for everyone as a nursing assistant, so I don't need to be trained on it. So now I'm going to walk over to engineering office hours, and because it was like mandatory that we go like one day, either this week or next week, so I may as well just go today. And I won the Kahoot. There was like a quiz Kahoot. It was like 15 questions, and I got all of them right. And I got first place. I was like, what? Because I didn't expect that, but that was fun. I'm gonna go to Epic again. I'm back at Epic. Epic is closed now, but the classroom I need to go to is not. This is what I have to do. Ta-da. Finished, and I'm going back to my apartment. I made it back to the apartment. I'm only partly soaked, and now I'm going to go take a shower and do some studying. But I finished my engineering project or like mini project assignment thing that I need to do at like the office hours tonight, and so at least I accomplished that. So I'm gonna go shower, brush my teeth, and then I'll sit down and do some work. I just finished showering. I'm gonna write down the things that I need to do tonight under Wednesday. It looks like I already have a list from yesterday, so I guess I'll just be adding to that. Okay, so I wrote a list of stuff that I need to do. I did some of them like throughout the day. I took my quiz today in mechanics. I'm currently charging my Fitbit. It's at 29%. I went to office hours and I did my circuit thing, and I worked out this morning. So I'm just probably like gonna go down this list, and I'm gonna actually go get my orgo supplies. I just have to pack up that lab coat and grab my goggles and put it in a tote bag. So that'll be simple. But then I'm just gonna go down this list and do my stuff. Ready for orgo tomorrow. All of my emails. I have 5 email accounts. I have my school email, I have my personal email, I have my personal spam email, I have my work email from the hospital, and I have my work email from my research lab. So I just went through all of those. I had quite the things to catch up on because I hadn't checked it from like the beginning of September since school started. So as you know, things have accumulated. Next, I'm gonna look at my DCF document. I volunteer for the Department of Children and Families, and so I'm gonna look at the case review for tomorrow and just see a little bit about like how the kid is doing, and about like the last case review to see if there's anything that I need to like mentally ingrain in my membrane. So I'm gonna do that. Okay, I just finished reading the DCF document for tomorrow, and the case is a pretty standard case.
So I have no comments, no questions so far. It's pretty, sometimes the cases are harder to understand, but this one was pretty simple. It's currently 9:24. So I'm gonna watch the chem pre-lecture videos that I have to watch for tomorrow. That's like my first priority. Like at this hour of the night, I start like prioritizing because I know I'm not gonna get like everything that I want to done. So I'm gonna watch the chem pre-lecture videos and work on finishing my chem notes from today. These are my chem notes. We were learning nomenclature and like drawing functional groups along with full molecules, and we started some hybridization. I had originally planned to do some EK 210 videos and like this assignment, and it's usually due like every Wednesday, so this would be due, it's Wednesday right now, so it would be due next Wednesday. It was just released today. But I'm kind of tired, and like doing my team contract isn't just going to be able to be me. Like I'm gonna have to involve other people, and I don't have the energy right now after such a long day. So I'm probably just gonna save this for tomorrow. So I'm gonna the rest of this, the things I didn't do, I'm gonna leave for tomorrow, and I'll probably just journal a little bit and then edit this vlog and go to bed. It's actually only 9:43. So by the time I'm done journaling, it'll be like 10, and then I'm gonna edit this vlog and it's gonna be like 10:30, and then I'm going to bed because I'm really tired after such a long day. But so that's what my plan is for the rest of the night. So I think I'm just gonna end this vlog right now. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me on my very busy day. I had 6 classes today, and a club meeting and office hours. That's as busy as it gets. So I'll see you guys soon, and yeah, I'm gonna be like right there in like 30 minutes. I'm really looking forward to it. So I'll see you guys later. Hope you enjoyed. Goodbye.